Hey, it's Jessica here. I just wanted to give you my honest review of this Presto 22-inch electric griddle with removable handles, and that way you can make the most informed purchasing decision. So as you can see, I'm cooking some mini pancakes here for my kiddos, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this is a premium non-stick surface, which I absolutely love when I am cooking because it makes for easier cleaning and easier cooking when you do have that non-stick surface. Another thing that I love is this is the Control Master heat control, and it really helps with being able to choose what temperature you want the skillet to be at. It also has this drip tray that you can slide out and clean if you're cooking something greasier like bacon. As you can see here, I'm flipping the pancakes and it is not sticking, which is really nice. I did not spray this before, and so I really like that it is easy to flip the pancakes without needing to grease it up. So that is one of the things that I love about it. And then one of the last things is that the handles do detach if you need them to, which definitely makes it easier for cleaning and storage if you don't have a lot of room. So if you're looking for an electric griddle, I would 10 out of 10 recommend this one. It's our favorite.